First of all, I totally endorse and second what the jury chair has said. I can't add more words to what he has already shared. But I will share two things with you. Number one is what this entire new way of life has brought in front of us is that everyone who's running this industry of hospitality in every single hotel is today trying to ride a boat which is just floating with many holes, where each one of the team members is trying to plug a hole that the boat doesn't sink. And let me tell you this, that what we have seen in you is not that you are only working very, very hard to try and keep the morale, the team, the business and everything. When chips are bad, when the hotels don't have business, who becomes the dartboard? Where do all the darts go? So the bullseye is the director of sales and marketing, right? And when the hotel does extremely well, then it's a team effort.
Yeah.
But that team effort always must remember that everyone who's doing a job is doing it to perfection with their capabilities. And you have been chosen as one of the best in the country today. The reason is because you have shown exemplary results, and not only that, attitude, passion, precision, and most of all, motivating all those boys and girls who are making calls to find that one single room night to fill up a hotel room. That takes hell of a guts. When you are drilling for oil where there is not even water available.
True.
Hats off to you and to your team.
Thank you. Thanks so much.
You have a huge responsibility. Motivate others as well and try and show them that you are what you are. Thank you so much for doing what you do. Thank you.
Thank you.
And
thank you so much, Sanjay. Bhuvnesh.
We know you have a twin property in Mayur Vihar, and the catchment is the way the catchment is, right? So it's not a prima donna catchment, right, of a Gurgaon or South Delhi or a Central Delhi, and it makes the job even tougher, right? You're staring at one side, you're staring at Ashok Vihar, you got Mayur Vihar, Ashok Nagar, Mayur Vihar, and all that. Yeah, pulling it off in such a catchment, great brand, right? Is in itself a great job, and the better gender has proven herself, right? And IHG is led wonderfully by an amazing leader, Sudeep, right? And now, of course, Mr. Chima has also come. But Sudeep, of course, is somebody who's a workhorse, right? And he lifts the bar higher. He's somebody who's not given to, talking too much. He puts it head down, focused, and meeting for more. Congratulations, do well, and khoob tarakki karo.
Thank you so much.
Congratulations once again, Venu. Thank you so much. So, well, ladies and gentlemen, as I said that DOSM of the Year North Zone has two winners. Now I'd like to call the joint winner, Vikram Singh, Fairfield by Marriott Lucknow, to kindly join us. There he is, Vikram Singh. Congratulations from our side.
Hello, Vikram.
Hi, Vikram.
Namaste, everyone. This is Vikram.
Congratulations.
Vikram, we'd love to hear a few words from you, please. Vikram, if you can hear us?
बोलिए विक्रम, बोलिए.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're right now at EHA 2020.
Vikram's screen is frozen. So there is the internet. So he can log out.
I cannot see or hear anybody.
Now
I
we
can see myself on the screen, but not anybody else, sir.
No, don't worry. आप बोलते जाओ. आप हमारी चिंता ना करना. रिकॉर्डिंग देख लेना. बोलो. बोलते जाओ. बोलिए.
Vikram, you can please let us know how you're feeling. If you can start. Yes. Ladies and gentlemen, we're right now in our second category, we're talking about DSM of the Year, North Zone. And right now we have Vikram Singh, Fairfield by Marriott, Lucknow, who's joined us on the screen. So, ladies and gentlemen, we're just going to be having our winner converse on the stage. And this is our virtual stage, which is the screen you're viewing it at. Remember to keep hashtagging EHA2020 and have release day. Today is 4th day, ladies and gentlemen. Yes,
Ajit is handling him. He's calling him up and fixing it.
Perfect. So, Bhuvnesh, till then, I can see, Vikram, would you like to say a few words? Can you talk? Can you try and say something? I think still some issue.
वो ना इमेज जा रही है विक्रम के पास ना आवाज जा रही है.
Hello, Ajit sir.
Okay.
आ गया, अजीत का आ गया.
We can hear him actually, but nevertheless. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is the virtual world.
I know, but that's fine.
No, sir, I cannot hear them.
But we can.
Okay.
So we're right now on the second category. We're talking about the DSM of the Year, North Zone, and this is our joint winner, Vikram Singh from Fairfield Marriott Lucknow, who just joined us on the screen. Ladies and gentlemen, remember this is our 4th day, and we hope you all are having a great time.
But still, it's the same.
EHA 2020. Vikram, you may proceed. Ladies and gentlemen, we're right now on the 4th day. Bhuvnesh, requesting you to kindly unmute yourself.
I'm doing a call merge with him so that he can hear.
Perfect. So, we are trying our best to ensure that every winner, so this is what I value and I love about the awards, is that we are ensuring that every winner gets the screen time they deserve. So,
Absolutely.
thank you. Mr. Kumar, this is what I genuinely love about VWTL Awards, that everyone is coming on the screen and accepting it.
उसका कॉल मर्ज नहीं हो रहा. नहीं, उसको इसी पे ले लो.
So we can see him, but yes, there's a slight audio issue. But ladies and gentlemen, we're at EHA 2020 Day 4. Do not go anywhere. We've got our winner from Singh Fairfield by Marriott Lucknow.
So let us do one thing. Vikram is unable to connect. Let us speak about him so that he can see the recording and it will go on record. Suresh, why don't you say?
Vikram, first of all, congratulations. Also, when I was going through the nomination form, I suddenly realized that there is so much of passion. Sometimes, the passion is driven by the environment that you live in. And in a state capital like Lucknow, where the many hotels have come in the last couple of years, it was very, very important for the sales director to actually get into the market. And I found when I was going through this, that Vikram has shown a very rare combination of spirit and feet on street. I think in both the cases, he had gone and accessed people. He has also been part of the society. In very few times that I say that he was one of the significant linkages between the city and the hotel. So I think that effort itself probably made him garner the business for the hotel. And I think he was a man who was representing the city in the hotel rather than being not available. So I think he was people's representative in the hotel, and I thought that was a great initiative by a sales director. So congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Kumar. I request you, Sanjay Sharma, say a few words.
So, I had the pleasure and honor of working with Vikram a few years back during my Marriott days because Fairfield Lucknow used to come under my portfolio in North India. And let me tell you, in the Lucknow market, Fairfield has the largest inventory. Yeah. And apart from that largest inventory, this hotel also saw 8% supply growth in the market, where Vikram was at that time the number 2 when the hotel opened. And then he grew and became number 1 of sales and marketing, and was a tough hotel. It was a very tough hotel. And honestly speaking, I think probably he's facing a technology challenge because he changed his face. He was never having mustaches, and he's now having mustaches.
अच्छा हाँ नहीं बताएं.
Can you hear us now?
Okay.
So yes, Sanjay, I believe there's just time to sort in. So if you want to
So
say,
just to conclude, I think very well deserved. This boy not only carries his professionalism and executes his sales passion very, very well, but one thing which I have seen in him is that he is one of the most, his composure, he is calm, he takes stress like there is nothing which has happened. I mean, I used to sit down in review meetings and I used to get stressed to seeing that how are we going to tackle a 600, 800% supply growth in the market. And they said, sir, there is a bread for everyone and we will fight for our bread. That's all what I can promise you. The rest, we leave it to God. But there will be no effort left in fighting for that bread which belongs to us. And that is what I saw in him at that time. And congratulations, Vikram. Well deserved. You really deserve what you get today. And you are becoming a role model for the country now. So you have to live up to it. Please part your knowledge with the others as well and prepare the future leaders of the business. Congratulations to you.
There you are. So there you are, Vikram. I don't need to. I mean, you've got Sanjay who's spoken so much. I can only give you ज्ञान. वो ज्ञान ये है कि भैया सबके साथ बांटते रहना, है ना? लखनऊ आसान मार्केट नहीं है. लखनऊ is a very difficult market, right? यूपी का राजधानी भी है. So you've got to take it to the next level and do well. Obviously, when you won through so many nominations, you must be so good, right? So God bless you. खूब तरक्की करो.
thank you and congratulations once again.
Vikram, unmute.
Vikram, if you just like to unmute yourself.
Kunal, can you unmute Vikram?
Well, obviously, when you won through so many nominations, you must be so good, right? So God bless you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. And yes, thank you. Yes, thank you. Thank you. Thank you, everybody. I would like to thank the entire jury and Mr. Sharma and Mr. Khanna. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Thank you so much. So, ladies and gentlemen.
So
ladies and gentlemen,
ये अजीत का करिश्मा है.
Absolutely. So, ladies and we'd really like to thank our jury for joining us.
Sanjay sir wants to say something. Sanjay sir wants to say.
Yes, please. Sanjay.
Bhuvnesh ji, please, my humble request is, if there is an award which you haven't made the category, but your team needs to be, they deserve an award from all of us who have had the honor of being part of this, viewing this, all the viewers, all the participants, everyone. Your team definitely deserves to be awarded.
I completely agree. I have this on my mind, and we are doing something very short for tomorrow to play the entire backend team जो सब हैं. I'm going to send them on a holiday.
Bhulna mat sir, please.
हाँ जी.
So, thank you so much, Sanjay Sharma, for joining us and giving us your precious time. Thank you so much. So, ladies and gentlemen, with this,
Thank you, Sanjay sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you, Suresh ji. Thank you.
Thank you, Sanjay. Thank you.
So, ladies and gentlemen, with this, I'd request our jury, Chef Manjeet Gill, President, Indian Federation of Culinary Associations, F&B consultant and advisor, to kindly join us to give away the next set of category of awards.
Hello, namaste.
Hi, Manjeet.
Hi.
सर ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਸਿਰ ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਲਾਈਟ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਜੱਲੀ ਹੋਈ ਹੈ. ਇਹ ਕਿਹੜੀ ਲਾਈਟ ਹੈ?
ਇਹ ਸਾਡੇ ਸਾਡੇ ਦੇ ਪਿੱਛੇ there is always sun behind us.
This is the aura.
ਹੋ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈਗਾ
Eh?
ਹੋ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈਗਾ
ਹਾਂਜੀ, now it's okay.
ਹਾਂ ਹੁਣ ਬਿਲਕੁਲ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਪਰ ਉਹ ਉੱਚੀ ਰੂਹਾਂ ਦਾ ਔਰਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਸਿਰ ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ
Hello hai ye. Hello.
ਹੈਲੋ
Hello.
ਹੈਲੋ
Yeah. So,
Chalo,
ladies
I
and
think
gentlemen,
Hello,
Yes,
for
please,
doing
sir.
this 5-day conference, I think the hello deserved by BW.
Yes.
Oh, what?
I think there is
No doubt in
Yeah.
that. And particularly I'm listening last time, how with a smiling face this Brahmana is conducting all this is fantastic.
absolutely I completely
Soul of
agree
this, soul of your conference.
yeah इसको
Thank you
इसको
so much.
इसको खूब ब्लेसिंग्स दो इसके ऊपर दया करो
It is a
खूब तरक्की करो I completely agree
thank you so much. So, ladies and gentlemen, with Chef Manjeet Gill joining us, let's move on to our next category, which is Executive Chef of the Year, North Zone. Could we have the winner, AV, please? So, ladies and gentlemen, Executive Chef of the Year, North Zone, goes to Rohit Gambhir, the Oberoi, New Delhi. Rohit Gambhir is joining us.
Thank you.
Congratulations, Rohit. We'd love to hear a few words from you, please.
Chef Gambhir how are you
Very well, Bhuvnesh. Thank you so much.
good to see you
Thank you. So, good evening, everyone. To begin with, a big thank you. A big thank you to BW Hotelier, to Bhuvnesh, to the entire jury that considered me worthy of this huge honor. The icing on the cake is to now see Chef Manjeet Gill. So I think, I am very honored and very grateful for this award. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Chef. We'd request our jury chair, Suresh Kumar, to kindly say a few words.
Rohit, first of all, congratulations.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
And I must share with you that I think the way the entire thing was put forward, we were saying to many, we have up to the extent of being repetitive. I think it was a great articulation in actually putting the nomination form itself. And that's why we found out, was it a team that was helping Oberoi's to put a form together? Because I think there was so much of similarity in every nomination that we were reading. So we were thinking it's a corporate, passionate involvement into putting a storyboard that was as good as talking to you. So that was one. Secondly, I think everything that you have done so far post renovation and relaunch, I think has been absolute. How you have put together the cuisine and how you went into detailing, how you have gone into smallest of details, how your pastry shop has come back, which was always famous, and how Oberoi's have come back with the same positioning into the business would have not been possible if you were not passionately involved in this same. The second which I loved and I noted down somewhere, easy on palate and easy on wallet. I think that was one sentence I picked up in your application. Now I still remember it. I mean, I thought that was a very beautifully put together, that it has to be cost effective, it has to be value driven, and at the same time it must taste well. So I think in that sentence itself, you have covered all 5 senses that one looks at in terms of cuisine, in terms of presentation, in terms of delivery, in terms of combinations, and at the same time, it must be affordable and you must enjoy while you're having it. I think excellent job.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
I must compliment that it was great to read the nomination form itself. So
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
And congratulations, well deserved.
Thank you. Thank you very much, sir.
Pleasure.
Thank you so much. I'd request our jury, Chef Manjeet Gill, to kindly say a few words. So request you to kindly, yes, thank you.
My compliments, my congratulations to you. You know, from
Thank you, Chef.
as they being a president for the fraternity of the chefs, and you well deserved. And as I know Rohit very well, for last many years, many time interacted with him, and he's a man, which always, every word is very thoughtful. Every is calm, he listens well, and then apply the things whatever he has picked up from here and there or learned, but in a very, very systematically and very thoughtfully. And that's what Rohit, as I know him, is your passion, is your love to be in the kitchen and in the uniform. The pride you have when you wear the uniform and you're in the kitchen is really a role model for many people to watch. And your creativity speaks for you. And the way you blend the flavors, the taste, and you present your dish and keep your kitchen clean and with the immense value of consistency, every plate of your hotel speaks for it. And finally, I say that how you keep your people happy. Every person down the line, and recently I also worked in that kitchen, but not the renovated one. With my training time, in my management training time, it's a fantastic, beautiful kitchen, which has a good aura in that kitchen. And I must say, and then you well deserve this award, and many, many more to come, and you have a great potential in future. And I wish you all the best.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Chef. Means a lot from you. Thank you.
Rohit, coming so much from Suresh sir and Chef Gill, in your domain, Chef Gill is one of the tallest names that you can have to speak for you and on you and what you have done. Imagine you are being judged by such legends, right? I have done one show with you. You are very humble, very polite, genial Punjabi, unlike me, who's loud, boisterous, who's, I have to hold my words, but you have to.
No,
right?
sir.
So wait, I just what's common between me and Rohit?
How come?
Common is you said Punjabi. That's okay. We both are from OCLD.
Yeah. Good.
Yeah. But trust me, I'm equally loud. It's just that a lot of chefs on formats like these tend to get a little cautious. But otherwise, trust me, I'm louder than most Punjabis are.
Well, I know one Gambhir who's from my school who's in the Indian cricket team.
Okay.
Well, yeah, वो भी front foot पे खेलता है. But having said that, being, first of all, a chef from Oberoi's, then being a chef from OCLD, and then being a chef of the Oberoi Delhi, it takes a lot, right? And your nomination has come through a lot of rigor, right? It's not been easy fighting. So there's a huge fight going on between all the chefs over there, but in the positive sense. So you are an artist in your own right, and I have had food so many times, my meals so many times. I mean, I was wrong to call it food or meals. At the end of the day, what you eat is meals and food. So many times at the Oberoi's. Thank you so much. There must be your hand somewhere. And you're a worthy winner. Keep doing well. You're an artist. In many ways, a guru, as Chef Manjeet Gill, Hemant, or Chef Sanjeev Kapoor, Ranveer Barar, Vineet Bhatia, Vikas Khanna. These are all huge names. I mean, Amit Chaudhary, all these chefs, Manisha Bhasin. The onus is on you to take your art to the impressionable. Boys and girls who are in culinary schools, who are in hospitality schools, who are learning this art, who are impressionable chefs, right? it is the onus is on you, and especially in times like this, I'm telling everybody, okay, go, hold hands, talk to them, mentor them, and tell them, hold on, घबराना नहीं, एक आध साल की बात है, ये रेलगाड़ी फिर पटरी पे आ जाएगी.
100% आएगी सर, जल्दी आएगी सर.
रेलगाड़ी actually
सर एक्चुअली पटरी पे है, थोड़ी स्लो हो गई है पर पटरी पे है.
पटरी पे हम घबराए हुए हैं थोड़े के क्या होगा.
Food is food. You cannot survive without food. It is, the future is bright.
बिल्कुल.
Future is very bright.
I'm sure.
Do well, Chef Gambhir. छोटा मुंह बड़ी बात, खूब तरक्की करो.
And congratulations, Roy.
Thank you very much.
All the best.
Congratulations, Roy.
Thank you, Mr. Kumar. Thank you. Thank you, Chef.
Very happy.
Thank you. Really honored.
Congratulations.
Feel honored. Thank you very much.
So, ladies and gentlemen, with this, I'm now going to be having the next category, which is F&B Manager of the Year, North Zone. Could we have the winner, AV, please? So, ladies and gentlemen, F&B Manager of the Year, North Zone, Gaurav Chandana, Hyatt Regency, Delhi. Gaurav, congratulations. Requesting Gaurav to kindly join us, and there he is.
Good evening.
Hi, Gaurav.
Hi,
Gaurav, requesting you to say a few words. Congratulations once again.
Yeah, what a proud moment. Firstly, I would like to thank BW Hotelier, all the panelists and the jury members for the prestigious award. It is only possible because of the team effort, and I would like to give entire credit to my colleagues. Also, last but not the least, I would like to thank Hyatt Regency Delhi and our General Manager, Mr. Julian Ayres, for believing in me and giving me this opportunity. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Gaurav. I'd request our jury chair to kindly say a few words, please. Suresh Kumarji.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
I think your hotel creates a tremendous amount of buzz in the city food and beverage profiling. Now, every time I eat there and every time I've gone there, but I also think that you have created a great space for banqueting, and I've come and seen once. What I liked about the entire thing was, I think you used 3 sentences called, the first is feel the place, then fuel your people, and then start functioning. So there were 3 F's that became in my mind also an acronym, so I said I'll rather hold. It also showed through whatever you had written, the amount of involvement that you have in every part of the functioning of food and beverage, whether it's kitchen sporting, whether it is banqueting, whether it's the restaurant, whether it is hygiene. And I think that spirit itself, and since I've seen you now, actually you fit in with what you wrote. So I think to that extent, you're a great team player. And if I remember the numbers, you deal with about 260 or 217 numbers around who are working with you. So I think it runs like an orchestra, and I think you have created tremendous rhythm in your food and beverage in terms of quality, variety, display, and also loyalty that you have created within the city. God bless you.
Thank you,
Keep
sir.
going. And I think this is where the world is going to look forward to and idolize you guys. You know, you are the future heroes of this country and in hospitality industry. God bless you and congratulations.
Thank you, Mr. Kumar. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much. I'd request our jury, Chef Manjeet Gill, to kindly say a few words.
Gaurav, my congratulations to you. And as sometimes people say that the F&B and the chef doesn't get along in the operation, but that I think sometimes it happens is all good for the business. It is only that this pleasure is as a positively, it is for the business. And I strongly believe, and I say always that the service, the F&B service is the grand finale of the chef's creativity. Chef can do whatever in the kitchen, but ultimately to give life to that and to serve and to give the complete experience to the customer, to have a dining experience, it comes from the F&B service. So my congratulations to you. We did a good work, good job you are doing, and you have potential. And I think the service of the hotel slowly even become better and better compared to anywhere in the international market. So all the best.
Okay, let's get started.
Thank you, Chef Manjeet. I'd request Bhuvnesh to say a few words.
So, I mean, it's a great hotel. This hotel has been there as long as I can remember. I mean, it's a location, it's a brand. I mean, it's along with Leela Gurgaon, the two hotels which you even charge for parking, right? So such is the strength of the brand, and very aggressive, and some of the finest restaurants are, I mean, all the others. Moria has great restaurants, Oberoi has great restaurants, Hyatt Regency has great restaurants. So, I mean, some of my favorite restaurants and food, there I go for my Italian and my Oriental over there. So great service, right? And keep shining, keep doing well, right? कितने लोग चांदना को ठीक से pronounce कर सकते हैं?
Sir, there are a lot of people who will say Chandra, So even on my ID proofs, I have to get it done twice. So there is that's a unique name. So we can say that.
चांदना नहीं कोई pronounce कर सकता.
Real Punjabi, sir, they know.
हाँ, और नाम और मेदी रत्ता में हमारी ये भावना भी नहीं मेदी रत्ता को कर सकी pronounce.
Sorry, sir.
Chef, I would like to say one thing, Chef. What you said is absolutely right. Chef, what you said was that there has to be like chef and F&B, the kitchen and F&B have to work together. But I would like to say, whatever conflict is there, whatever fight is there, but a cup of coffee with the chef once in a day is the solution.
Yeah, you're right. Oh, that's what I'm saying. You see, the kitchen cannot survive without service. They cannot. Yeah. That's something. It is the grand finale. It is the finale of the chef's creativity. What happens in the kitchen? That's what the service does. Right. There is no question of not getting along. Cup of tea is fantastic. You sit together, everything you keep working for the organization and for the food production and the service, for the experience, dining experience for the customer. That's more important.
Thank you, Chef.
Thank you. Thank you. God bless you, Gaurav.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much. And also, I'd like to thank Chef Manjeet Gill for joining us today. Thank you so much, Chef.
Thank you, Chef.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Chef Saab.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
So, ladies and gentlemen, with this, I'd request our jury.
Suresh, what pleasure, huh?
Anji.
Amazing.
Bilkul.
You can spend good quality time with
You have made me work so much in my life. I remember some points from somewhere. And fortunately, I didn't know this. I had picked up somewhere in these, so I remembered.
So, ladies and gentlemen, yes, we're just trying and getting Naveen Chen, former president of Duet India Hotels and currently managing director, Nobel Knowledge Service, to kindly join us. Naveen is, yes, he's right there. Our jury. Naveen Chen.
You're in the car. Naveen, are you in the car?
नवीन सर अनम्यूट करो अपने आप को अनम्यूट
हाँ जी गुड इवनिंग कर दिया है
दिस इज मोबिलिटी एट इट्स पीक
यस एब्सोल्युटली आई एम इन द कार
इसको बोलते हैं मल्टीटास्किंग फुल स्पीड
Absolutely, when you can do it, when you can do such a big award function, but a big event on.
So from online to on the road.
Yeah. The only thing left is one for the road.
And then we can also do a mobile.
Yeah.
अगर आप गाड़ी रोक लोगे ना तो सिग्नल स्टेबल हो जाएगा जहां पर भी हो.
So, now that we have Naveen Jain, let's get on to the next category, ladies and gentlemen. We're talking about Executive Housekeeper of the Year North Zone. So we have the winner, AV, please. So yes, ladies and gentlemen, Executive Housekeeper of the Year North Zone goes to Kunal Roy, Rambagh Palace, Jaipur. Kunal is joining us. Kunal Roy, congratulations.
Hi,
And
Kunal.
applause from our side.
Good evening, everyone.
Hi.
What a great-
Actually, the photo got mixed up, I guess. That's why
I
you
know.
can't recognize me.
वो ठीक है, वो कर देंगे.
I also realized.
हाँ.
Yeah, from becoming a little hairless to having slight white hair, there's a small thing.
Yeah.
So, good evening, everyone. It's a wonderful feeling to be here with
there is a person called Hercules. He was the most powerful man in the world. He used to carry the Atlas, even he dropped it.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
Not a big.
Hanji.
So it's a wonderful feeling to be here with all of you, and it's an honor to be receiving such a prestigious award. It's truly motivating for professionals like us to see that our work is getting acknowledged on such a big platform as BW Hotelier. So I want to take a moment to thank my team at Rambagh also for supporting me, and without them it wouldn't have been possible to achieve this kind of a milestone. I would like to especially thank my general manager, Mr. Ashok Rathore, for being an inspirational figure and always being there to support me. And I feel very proud holding the flag of IHCL today as I receive this award, and hope that the Tajness and the Tata values continue to guide me and my team towards re-strengthening our commitment for all the stakeholders, and may our team can achieve many more awards like this.
Thank you and congratulations, Kunal. I'd request our jury chair, Suresh Kumar, to say a few words.
First of all, congratulations. Very well deserved.
Thank you.
Kunal, I think whatever we could gather about you and your personality was purely on account of what you wrote in the nomination form. I picked up 2-3 good words from saying less is more. How can you use your resources so beautifully? I think second thing was that it's such a large area, very well manicured, and during these COVID times, I think first is to match the edifice, great hotel with this environment, and housekeepers it's a nightmare for housekeeper. But I think little that I know about the hotel and what I read through, the amount of involvement, and I think your personal initiatives, keeping the staff motivated during these tough times, trying to see how their families are equally well looked after. Third is to try and become a sounding board so there's no anxiety within the system. And I think after doing all that, to also keep the hotel in a state of readiness, that should you need to reopen, you are ready to do so. And I like the way you did your laundry services and how you try to manage the areas and how you got involved with staff other than housekeeping as well. So I think looking at how you have been able to garner and also support the internal environment and also keep the morale of the team very high, when there is so much of anxiety around and apprehension. It was absolutely commendable. God bless you, give you more strength. And this also shows that as and when generation is getting into this business, I think that generation probably is far more evolved, or in a state of evolving. And it's a very progressive way of looking at the business. And we are very proud being part of this industry. But now getting phased out to see how youngsters are going to actually run this world of hospitality. God bless. Congratulations.
Thank you, sir. This was an unprecedented time, so it was a big challenge for all of us who have never seen anything like this before. So we did what we could, and we did what we thought, being in our common sense, we would do at home as well. So if your family is in trouble, so you take care of them. So even if we are sitting in Bombay and somebody is in Delhi, so you give a call, keep a check on them. If they need something, you courier them, you ask somebody to help them out. So we did all that, and luckily we had our general manager who was taking care of them personally. So we had a car which was organized. If somebody is lacking some supplies and all, so we can transfer that to those houses as well. So it was a great experience, great learning experience.
Very well done. Very well done.
Thank you. We will try and get our jury, Naveen Jain, to say a few words. Naveen, if you can unmute yourself, please.
Naveen, sir.
Sir, Naveen Jain.
Unmute. Naveen, sir, unmute.
Yeah, I am unmuted. Good evening and my heartiest congratulations to Kunal. Suresh, you have said enough. Whatever I know about this hotel, it's one of the best hotels. I've stayed there for twice. And Kunal, you did a fantastic job. Although I was not part of the judging you, but your housekeeping functions are outstanding. So keep it up. And whatever you have said, I think it is all your experience, your maturity, the way you handled the whole thing in this difficult times. So good luck to you, and you deserve well-deserved award for you. Good luck. All the best.
Thank you.
So Kunal, at this level, there's very little that separates one from the other, right? So the pool is so strong of winners that we had to go through a lot, but you've come through a grind, and obviously heading your function in an iconic property like Rambagh and in a city, Jaipur, which is high on the inbound and travel agenda, right? Is not an easy task. You've done well. Keep doing well. Yeah.
Thanks.
And you make your brand IHCL Taj very proud.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much for your kind words.
Congratulations. And enjoy the moments.
Yeah.
Thank you, Kunal, once again for joining us. Ladies and gentlemen, now it's time for announcing our next category. Well, we're talking about PR Marcom Manager of the Year, North Zone. Can we have the winner, AV, please? So, ladies and gentlemen, PR Marcom Manager of the Year, North Zone goes to Nikita Chopra from the Lodi, New Delhi. Nikita, heartiest congratulations.
Thank you so much. Namaskar, everybody. Good evening.
Namaskar.
Congratulations.
Yes, Nikita. ये इसका GM है, ये राजेश नंबी.
Wow, this is a celebration now.
This truly is so beautiful. So anyway,
Team Jury, it's an honor to be winning this award. I'd like to thank the entire team at the Lodi for their never-ending support, encouragement, and a big thank you to the BW Hotelier team. It's a fantastic show you guys have put together. It's an honor to be winning this. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Now, adding to your celebration, Nikita, I'd request our jury chair, Suresh Kumar ji, to say a few words, please.
Nikita, I can see the celebration right there. This is a new learning on this platform. That we are trying to get. And Nambi is a naughty general manager, I think. Nambi, the way he is dancing behind, I think that's how the team is.
But
I must tell you, it was very nice, I must say. Also, Nikita, I think very subtly the hotel has positioned itself in the heart of everybody. I think while this had existed, there has not been too much of noise, but I think there has been too much of affection. So somehow or the other, I think that subtlety is when I was going through the nomination form, probably made a mark in itself in my mind of saying how without much fanfare, you can still become a great venue, you can still attract people. And I think where you have scored is, I think most of the people, when I meet them in Delhi, they are aware of the names of people who run the Lodi now. So I think to that extent, I think there has been a great rapport that has been achieved. There's great articulation in when you filled up the form. There was a softness when you wrote. But sure enough, I think the team is somewhere, I also got this feeling, team is very proud of the product that they sell and product and services. I think a lot of pride in the application itself, because some of the comments that I read gave me an impression that you are aware of your strengths, and I think, and that's how you are trying to now, use them to build a kind of a community which is called Lodi community. So to that extent, I think God bless you. Very well done, very well written.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
And best wishes.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. I'd request our jury, Naveen sir, to say a few words, please. We're unable to. Bhuvnesh Chilwan, could you say a few words, please?
Let me come in, since Naveen sir is unable to hear or speak. Nikita, this is a great brand. In the sense it's transition from the Aman to the Lodi, right? And DLF running it themselves. And you've got a general manager whom I know extremely well. He's got that chutzpah, he's got that energy, he's got that life in him, right? वो जो बाजू में आ रहा है ना, उसको बोलो, उसको भी अवार्ड दे दूंगा मैं. So the point is, it's not easy running a standalone hotel and at the price point at which you work, right? But the advantage, and then you're bang next to the Oberoi's. You're in a location where there is Taj Mansingh, there is the Oberoi, and what else is there? You've got the ambassador, the Taj, right?
Yeah, selection.
Yeah, but you've carved a niche for yourself with golf links and the Lutyens Delhi, Lodi Estate and Sundarnagar, the works. So there's a great opportunity, but a tough assignment. You've come through all that, right? And I'm sure with Rajesh around, you will do extremely well. He's somebody who gives you a lot of space, and he's full of energy. We just saw that. Yeah. God bless you, my dear. Do well. Keep smiling and keep connected with us.
Thank you, sir.
Congratulations once again, Nikita. Once again, you can continue with your party offline as well. Thank you once again for joining us. So, also I'd like to thank Naveen for joining us. He's on the move and we are so happy, Naveen sir, you were able to join us on this prestigious occasion. So thank you once again. So ladies and gentlemen, with this, we're going to be having now our jury, Kamal Khan, Principal and Secretary, Institute of Hotel Management, Catering and Nutrition, Pusa, New Delhi, to kindly join us.
Hi.
Hello, Kamal sir.
Mr. Pant.
Hi. Good evening.
Hi.
Namaskar.
How are you?
Namaskar, sir.
I'm good. Good to be here.
Good to be here. आज हम दूसरी बार इकट्ठे हो रहे हैं.
Yeah.
जी.
So, ladies and
And
gentlemen,
it is a lot
with,
of grind, you know. You start so early in the morning and it is still going on. I don't know how much more time
how
to go.
Yes.
So I have
Hats off
already
to you.
done. So I have already done 7 hours 57 minutes of screen time.
Yeah, that.
I can see that. I can see that live.
Yeah.
And you still look so fresh.
Well,
I don't know what the secret is.
well, I'm just a puppet on strings. So the strings are with somebody else there.
So, Mr. Pant, thank you for joining us. Ladies and gentlemen, now we're moving to our next category, which is Chief Engineer of the Year, North Zone. Could we have the winner, AB, please? So, ladies and gentlemen, Chief Engineer of the Year, North Zone goes to Rahul Sisodia from JW Marriott, New Delhi, Aerocity. Rahul, heartiest congratulations and thank you so much for joining us. A big applause for you.
Congratulations.
Good evening, everyone. Good evening, Mr. Kumar, Mr. Pan, Mr. Bhuvnesh, and Ms. Bhavna. Thank you so much. I'm truly honored to receive this such prestigious award, and my team and myself are very happy receiving this award. This award would not be possible without a endless support from my Priyanka and my two cute daughters Anaya and Shubika. This award gives me inspiration to do more and better every day. What we have done yesterday, now we have to do more and better. So this is I am taking from this platform. I would like to thank BW team who are on the screen and who are on the back end who are supporting with more than 8 hours. So thank you, Bhuvnesh, be on the line for 8 hours. Thank you so much.
Okay, I'm okay.
Thank you so much. I'd request our jury chair, Suresh Kumarji, to say a few words, please.
Rahul, congratulations first of all, and I think whatever you said is true. That first of all, you are a great team player. Also, I think you can shift gears very fast. I realized when I was going through the nomination that you were very quick to deal with this sudden challenge that had dropped into your lap, that none of us were aware how to deal with it. And I think you're the backbone of the hotel. So some of the when I went through this, I felt a lot of energy. There was a lot of empathy, and I think you were not the chief engineer. You were a custodian of a great product. You were a custodian of human asset. You were a custodian of also physical asset. So at such a young age to articulate both, and how you look after your team, how you look after people within, how you're looking after the guest, how the business is suddenly changing into creating a better environment, better air quality, sanitizing each and every area. I think that required a tremendous skill for a large operation like your hotel. So to that extent, I think it was very, very impressive. It was a great learning when we were going through the forms. We also felt, I was telling Bhuvnesh that it was a great opportunity for us to also connect with the field as to what is happening in terms of technology, in terms of resources allocation, in terms of where the monies are going, how the investments are being made. So I think to that extent, it was a great knowledge and great updation of our own self. So tremendous job under the circumstances. Like Shri Bhuvnesh said earlier, that this race was not one by one, but I think there were 8 people or 9 people on a track. So they were just missing 1 point by 1 second or half a minute kind of.
Very difficult.
Yeah, so it was very difficult to do it, but I think ultimately the wisdom of the jury I had very, very senior members of the industry, and they were very fine enough to say that subtleties of these little numbers and averages were debated for a very long time. While Bhuvnesh may say that he's worked very hard, I have never worked in my 40 years so much that I worked only in the last 2 years. So, Bhuvnesh, thank you for also making us going through the drill. But I think we did it. We did it with tremendous amount of passion ourselves, because I think it was very important to also make this absolutely a platform where each one is now trying to benchmark himself or herself against the best of in the country. So God bless you. Congratulations, well deserved, and all the best.
Thank you, Mr. Kumar, for your precious statement towards me. I will oblige on this statement. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Kamal, so we'd request a few words from you, please.
Yes. Mr. Rahul Sisodia, congratulations. It is very well deserved. And it is said in hotel parlance, it is the housekeeping which makes the guest stay, clean, comfortable, attractive, and safe. I feel barring the cleanliness, rest of all is taken care of by engineering. And I like it very much when I see an engineer who is in the heart of the house, who is taking proactive steps and making the guest stay, more comfortable for him. The kind of proactive steps that you have taken in reducing the cost, it is said that every penny saved is better than the penny earned. And there are too many initiatives that you have taken, during the course of the year, that you have saved the precious pennies for the hotel. And the icing on the cake was the kind of efforts that you have taken during the COVID pandemic, the kind of alterations that you have done in your air handling units for reducing or screening the kind of precipitators that you have installed to make sure that the virus does not get into the air supply, does not go into the circulation in the lobby and the public areas. So it's very heartening, and I had the pleasure of working under a general manager, an Australian general manager, who was a chief engineer of a hotel earlier. This was Hotel Yakin Yeti, way back in 97, 98. So I think the avenues are open for you. You don't have to remain in the heart of the house. I wish that people like you, young people, aspiring people like you, become the general managers in the hotels. So congratulations, very well deserved. And I have seen your hotel in the pre-COVID time. It's a hotel on the move. I've attended a couple of events in that hotel. What a beautiful property. And especially the engineering team, the way you transform the spaces, from one event to the other. It is hard to recognize that you are in the same space you were in the last. So hats off to you and congratulations.
Thank you so much, Mr. Pant. Lovely to hear you. Thank you so much once again.
Mr. Pant, IHM Pusa, Suresh Kumar, and then me, Raja Bhog, Gangu Teli, पर मैं 2 बोल देता हूँ. So the point is, the only parlance, the only simile that I can draw is there's a ship. A ship has a captain, and a ship has a chief engineer. You're aware of it, right? A chief engineer manages all the operational engineering works on a ship, including the engine room, the air conditioning, the maintenance, and the works. So the captain can't sail the ship if the chief engineer decides to sit like this कि मैं तो कुछ नहीं करता, right? तो जहाज डूब जाएगा. तो आपका रोल उतना ही महत्वपूर्ण है जितना एक कप्तान का है, ठीक है? और मैं आपको बता सकता हूँ, यहाँ पर मैंने किसी को बताया नहीं था कि किसकी बेटी है, बट मेरी बेटी वंदे भारत पे आई थी 15 मई को और आपके होटल में ठहरी थी, ठीक है? 15 दिन के लिए आई थी, उसे 11वें दिन रूल बदल गया तो बेचारी निकल आई. So she was there. She tells me about the kind of work. I tried to get there, तो मेरे को तो होटल के पास आने नहीं दिया. I wanted to meet her. Now, of course, she's gone back 3 days ago to New York. So I saw the kind of work when I went to pick her up on the 11th day when she was released from that quarantine jail. कि किस तरीके से काम हो रहा है, क्या आप लोगों का प्रोटोकॉल था, प्रोसेस था, प्रोसीजर था. Very impressive. It's a Colossus hotel. It's a huge hotel. It's a very large ship. If you're the chief engineer of JW Marriott AeroCity New Delhi, आप में कुछ तो दम होगा और उसी दम करके जीते हो, है ना? खूब तरक्की करो, चढ़ती कला जिसे बोलते हैं. All right.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Bye.
Thank you once again.
Thank you and congratulations once again, Rahul.